welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Yes, you're wondering why I've got a nice bare face today. Today we're going to do a small makeup tutorial. I've recently become an Avon rep and I love some of the products. I wanted to share them with you today, and I've managed to pick the hottest day as well to do a makeup tutorial. So let's get into the video. So I've already prepped my base and we're going to go in with the MAC Magic HD finishing powder. It's going to get rid of this shine that I've got going on here. It's really good because although I've left it open, you can actually untwist the little clip here and it actually just releases a little bit of powder, but I've obviously not locked it back up. So it's obviously got way too much powder in there than should be in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tip some into the lid, tip it back so that you've got the minimum amount in the lid, and I'm going to take a small flat brush like this one and I'm just going to pick up the excess, pat it off, and let's get rid. So now we're going to go in with the Avon True Colour eyeshadow quad, and this is really good because it has a step-by-step formula of how to apply this. So yeah, it gives you a little thing on the back there. I don't know whether you can see that. I'll zoom in for that, and it gives you a step-by-step of what to apply first. So I'm going to open that up. I got it in the shade Strong Taupes, so it kind of looks like this. And it comes with a handy mirror as well, which is really good. So as you can see, each of the palettes here is marked. We've got obviously the palest first, then the second, then you've got the sort of mid-tone here, and then you've got the dark tone, which usually sort of accents. And you get a little sponge with it, but obviously I like to use a brush. So yeah, I'm going to go in with that. Going to go in with the blackest of black Avon True Colour Glimmer Stick. I absolutely love these. You don't have to sharpen them, they just twist up. They're brilliant. I've never had a problem, been using them for absolutely years, so I can totally guarantee these. So yeah, let's go in with this. What's good about these as well is that they smudge really well. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to use the extra lasting lip gloss and lip colour by Avon as well. It's a double ender here, so you've got the colour on one hand and a gloss on the other.